Welcome back to After Hours. Today we got a fun recipe for you, a strawberry shortcake mimosa. I try so hard not to be messy and you go and make a mess.
I mean, you want to have a good time at brunch?
I would say the better the ice cream you get, the better this is gonna be. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. So, strawberry shortcake mimosa.
I'm stoked. What says Easter more or springtime than...
Yeah, more spring. Easter,
Yes.
maybe not so many people drinking on Easter, but we were looking for a fun brunch drink.
Yeah, and springtime inspired.
And we found this on Delish, and it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited.
Yes, and I mean, we're kind of basing off, but we've got a really cool little special ingredient.
We do.
This local ice cream, because it calls for strawberry ice cream. And we always try to find local places.
Yeah.
But makes a homemade ice cream.
We actually got it at the local Fig and Parsley restaurant.
Yes, our favorite little gourmet little shop.
Yeah, they've got a restaurant and a shop. It's a really cool place.
It is.
But that's where we got this awesome ice cream from.
Henry's homemade ice cream.
Yes.
This stuff is really good.
But first thing we need to do is get these bad boys rimmed.
Whoa.
What?
I set it
you spilled it already?
I'm just trying to keep up. You haven't been messy yet, so.
I try so hard not to be messy and you go and make a mess.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep up with you.
Yeah. But what's cool about this too is they decided to use the strawberries to rim it. I'm curious to see if we're gonna get enough juice out of these to really pick up this vanilla wafer.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, and we just crushed up some vanilla wafers. I mean,
yeah, I guess, it doesn't have to be too much,
It's enough to give that little cool flavor.
Cool, we'll just set that to the side. Get our strawberry ice cream.
Yes.
Now, of course, I would say the better the ice cream you get, the better this is gonna be.
I would agree with that.
Considering it's so few ingredients. Now we're using a number 40 scoop, which basically is like tablespoon, maybe tablespoon and a half.
Yeah, probably.
We're just gonna put 1 scoop into the glass. Look at that.
This looks good. I'm excited about it. It's so springtime. And
it is. And it smells very strawberry.
And with a little bit of the vanilla vodka.
Oh yeah.
And the Prosecco. Of course, you could use a regular champagne or any
back in the freezer.
Sparkling wine. But we went with a Prosecco.
Yeah. Yeah, and the next ingredient, we got some vanilla vodka. Now, we don't really drink very much vanilla vodka, so we got one of these little smaller bottles of it.
Yeah, because we don't really do a lot of flavored vodkas and stuff.
But
Hey, but I think it'll be great. If
this
is a winner, then we might be getting a bigger bottle of vanilla vodka.
Yeah, it's definitely possible. So we just add an ounce of our vanilla vodka.
If you could be in here and just smell the aromas from that ice cream, the vodka, it's very vanilla-y. I mean, it smells good in here.
It does. It actually smells like strawberry shortcake.
Yes, it really does.
And now
Hence the name of the cocktail.
Exactly. Now we just top it with some Prosecco.
Ooh.
And we get some strawberries to rim it. Well, as a garnish, not really rim it.
I rimmed it.
Pour a little more on there.
Yeah, let it bubble, and then you just fill it up. Oh, look at that bad boy. I mean, how fast and easy is that?
That's super fast and easy. We do have that.
That's okay.
Cool.
Wow.
Look at that. That's a strawberry shortcake mimosa.
Cheers. Like strawberry shortcake.
It does. I gotta be honest, it's pretty strong.
Yeah, you're not gonna want too many of these. Maybe if I would do half an ounce of vodka.
Yeah, I mean, it's really a lot of, for this size, it's a lot of vodka. I mean,
you want to have a good time at brunch?
Yeah. But I'm sure, or, well, yeah, maybe half an ounce of vodka, then maybe 2 scoops of ice cream. If you kind of want it to be more of a dessert. If you really just want it to be a mimosa, just do a ½ ounce of vodka and everything else the same.
Yeah, but I mean, it's a cool idea. I like it.
I do.
But a little less of the vanilla vodka,
Yeah,
it would be on point.
it would.
And of course, a delicious strawberry.
Well, yeah, and these are actually some American grown.
That's good stuff right there. Well, cheers to another good drink.
Yeah.
And we will make our suggested changes in the
Yeah.
description.
We'll have the recipe that we think would be better in the description below. But I would say it's definitely a good idea that Delish
Yeah.
had. It's definitely a cool cocktail.
Yes,
Very aromatic.
it does remind me of a strawberry shortcake.
But don't forget to drink responsibly.
That's right, not too many of these.
Yeah. You know, maybe letting it kind of
Yeah, mix it
soak
up.
up some of the ice cream. Yeah, with a little more ice cream, you know, it's not.
Yeah, it's not bad. Dump a little more and put.
Yeah. But, you know, I'm not trying to get